Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Well, Miss Missy decided to make some banana bread, but she's gonna embellish it with some chocolate chips. And what you got right there, Miss Missy?
6 bananas. Gotta smash them well.
What else?
Then we're gonna put 2/3 cups of butter.
All right, 2/3 cup of butter. What else you got in them bananas besides butter and bananas? That was it?
That was
Just
it.
some mashed bananas. Okay. Mashed up real good.
And
Okay.
then we're
Now you're
gonna
gonna do
come up
with
2 eggs.
okay. Mix that up real good.
Gotta mix it real good till
It's all incorporated.
yeah. And then you're gonna come up 2 cups of sugar, but you don't have to. Somebody don't like it too sweet, they could put 1.5 cups.
Yeah, and you like it a little sweeter.
I like just a little bit sweeter.
While she's incorporating that real good, I'm gonna mosey on over here and show y'all her latest little project that she's doing. She's gonna plant some ivies. She gave her big 8-foot ivy a haircut, and she's gonna pot that up pretty soon.
And then I need
Tomorrow.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Two teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that in real good, I suppose.
You gotta make sure they're all defined.
Yep, mix in your ingredients, layer it a little at a time. Alright, now what you got there?
2 teaspoons baking soda.
Baking soda, not baking powder.
Right. And a dash of salt.
Yep, that was about 1/8 of a teaspoon, if that.
And now you gotta do a very little bit at a time.
What you got? 3 cups of flour in
3 cups
there.
of flours.
Do about 1/3 at a time. Mix that in good. Oh, what you got your oven preheated to?
350.
350 oven. And you got some baking pans already buttered.
You got a baking pan like this. with
Already
butter.
buttered.
2. That makes a lot. Makes 2 loaves of banana bread. You can put chocolate chip if you want.
Like we doing tonight.
And you can add, if
That's
you
a
want
lot
to.
of chocolate chips, boy. Big
Crunch.
Randy Guidry is going to like that. Hey, Puddin' Tang. How y'all doing over there in Florida? Good, I hope. Wonder when that mullet festival's coming up. Puddin' Tang sent us a mullet festival shirt. Actually, 2 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, one mullet festival, another Boggy Bayou, or something like that. I forgot. I should have that shirt on right now. Actually, I got my K-Bone shirts on. I wear that every day. KBON 101.1 FM. Y'all get them tuned in. Y'all can listen to them on your computer. Good Cajun music, variety, Cajun, swamp pop, country, classic rock. Oh, easily listening rock. In fact, I heard a Fleetwood Mac song today. No, it wasn't Fleetwood Mac. It was the lead singer, though. I forgot her name right off the bat. not Sheena. Oh well, y'all just leave it in the comment what her name is.
I wish Gabby was here. She would enjoy that.
Yeah, wish my granddaughter was here to help out. But oh well.
She loves to help to bake.
Okay, now you can put the rest of that flour in there, Miss Missy,
sure
if you want.
All well in.
Yep. See, not using a cake mixer. It's all by hand.
You can do it if you want to, but it's not that bad to do it by hand.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to over mix your batter.
Right. Now let it with a spoon.
Oh yeah. That looks like that's gonna be awesome.
After that,
especially with them chocolate chips in there.
You can also
I like banana nut bread
that's what
myself.
Well,
You know, with pecans in it. But
we can if you want to.
we'll
We'll
have to dig way in the bottom of the freezer for the pecans.
put on pause and go get it.
No, we're just gonna eliminate it. We already said we're gonna do a banana chocolate chip bread. Alright, now what you gonna do? You're gonna put the chocolate chips in? Okay, go ahead and throw those in there and mix it up. And that'll mix your flour in there too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oops.
One for the dog. Roof,
Yeah.
roof, roof.
One.
That's what I said. One for the dog. Countertop's clean, so not a problem for this shan.
This is gonna be so good.
Looks good.
I should have maybe added some pecans in it.
Next time. Next recipe. Next recipe.
Y'all ought to make some. Whoever wants to try it.
Yeah, just the complete
so
recipe right
good.
here. How many bananas you said you had in there? 6?
6.
Okay, perfect. Anybody getting any rain besides South Louisiana?
Oh, we had a lot.
We had 1 inch yesterday,
And a lot today.
or a little over 1 inch. Now, it threatened real good today, but it didn't rain here.
In here and put them in the oven.
Alright. Let's see. Let's move this, move that bowl on the other side of the pans. That way I don't have to move. There we go. See if I can get this to focus again. Alright, you fixing to dish it out in the pans there, Miss Miss?
Yeah, I want to
Alright.
make sure they're all well in.
What you gonna fill them up? About halfway? 2/3 of the way?
Halfway.
Or you just gonna go like even in both of them?
Even both of it, but you got to make sure it's halfway. And it's going to get, when you bake them,
Well, bet the
It's gonna
big G
come
would be
way
over
at
here,
the
Mr.
top.
Gidry. Want to leak the bowl. Or Richard Ordwin. Hey, Richard.
yeah, they could come get them a piece.
And Johnny Best.
Come get them a piece tomorrow.
This is a little break from the lawnmower repair videos, the lawnmower tips and tricks videos. Asher E. How are you?
Who's that?
Asher E. Lawnmower mechanic. Alright, that's more than halfway.
Yeah.
Well, that was a
gonna
little
come.
much right there. It's
When
probably
it's
the chocolate chips that kind of made it rise up. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stuck that in the oven at 350 for how long? Till the
Until it's
toothpick comes
golden
out
brown,
clean, huh?
clean.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put this on pause and we're gonna catch y'all Pluto. Alright, Boudreaux and Eunice on call. We back. Missy just took this out the oven after 1 hour and 10 minutes.
What's the
One of them was an hour, the other one was 10 minutes. It was
Mine's bigger.
twice the size of the other one.
Yeah.
So, you know, till a toothpick came out clean, not golden brown like she had said earlier, I think. So, anyway, that's the banana chocolate chip bread. And then I think when we cut it up, I'll do a part 2 with a couple of glasses of milk. Alright, so we'll holler at y'all. Pluta. Enjoy the recipe.